All right, y'all. So a lot of these pickups are inspired by actual shoe, right? So the first ones came from Walmart, $8 on sale. Don't go to Walmart and get to hollering at these people because every Walmart is different. Um, just because they were on sale at my store don't mean that they on sale at your store yet, okay? But $20 ain't bad for them, right? So it is these, and they are inspired by the those Timberland Stone Street platform boat shoes that they have. Those are I still want to get those. I'm gonna put those on my Christmas list. But $8, super cute. The next shoe I got came from Ross. They were 16.99. I had them for a little bit. Only wore them twice. It's these, inspired by the UGG shoes. But they're mud, so same. I don't like this back out part, but just for like a cozy day with some, some socks. Then lastly, these are my dream boot. I have been wanting these boots for a while now, and I finally found them. The Fry inspired boot. They were $27.99 at Ross, but your girl had a $18, you know, in store card to use, so made them real, real cheap. Really had to get them, had to get them. But let's look at them again. They are definitely wide calf friendly. So, ladies, get you some shoes from the Ross and Walmart. Walmart does have a pair that costs $50, but I wasn't gonna spend that. I'm good with $27.99. But yeah, those are the boots that I do have. Can't wait to my next video for y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.